Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're doing a walk around of our 68 442. Very nice car. Paint on it, if you can see my reflection in it in the pictures and here on the, when I do the video, very nice shine. Wheels are aftermarket, but look very good. BF Goodrich radial TAs. I mean, very well done car. So an excellent driver quality 442. Non-numbers matching, but it does have the 400 and Ram Air. So there you can hear that annoying key buzzer. Pull that key out a little bit here. Does at one time they must have maybe put a different column in at one time because it has the shifter down here, but also has the column one. So. But interior needs nothing, good shape, doors shut nice, not a lot of faults. I didn't even find a lot of scratches or dings on it. Got a little bit of age on that original chrome there on both ends. And I think I found one little ding out right here. Hard to tell, but it looks like it's got door dinged. But really, really nice car. So looking for above average driver quality car, this should fit you. Got a great color. Definitely be proud to take anywhere to a show and shine or a cruise in night. So 605-695-7391.